There you go.
Whoa. Thank you. Whoa, it looks so much cooler on camera. Like you can see it so much better. Look. Firework night.
Mark, can you type from my iPad? I've got it, so yeah, that's what I think. We're going to do some sparklers after, yeah. If I do these ones there, you do the fireworks.
Massive star in the sky. Whoa. Okay, don't trust it anymore.
Yeah, leave some because then I'll have to do the other pack.
Oh, yeah,
I don't want to
that's
get
true.
burned.
They don't have space.
Right, after these, we're going to do some fireworks. Come out the way a little bit. Sienna.
Why is your lace undone? Your laces are both undone.
Over there.
So you want to trip up with fireworks in your hand?
Fireworks.
Well, it's like fireworks. It's hot, isn't it?
Hannah, would you like one?
Yeah, one of the same thing. Come on now.
On fire. On fire. Power.
Who wants the last one?
Me.
Kaya. Oh no, there's going to be more in a minute. I'm just doing this last one, as he said, and she's just finished hers. So.
I don't mind if anyone
Go.
else has one.
Kaya needs to do off her laces. If Kaya done off her laces, she could have had it, but she can't. So.
Right, we'll do some more after this first lot of fireworks.
Laces.
After this one, you can
I'm going to do my later.